welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, let me tell you guys this very clearly that this video is not to show off or just to show you like how much I've got so many stuff. Nahi, I'm just trying to share with you guys things that one of the things that I love the most, that is collecting bags. So so no judgments here please, and without further ado let's get started. सबसे पहले जो बैग मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, दिस इज माई एवरी डे बैग. ओके, दिस बैग आई वॉज गिफ्टेड टू मी बाय माई सिस्टर Zainab, and this was a birthday gift, and it's a very the best part about this bag इसके बहुत ही spacious है, इसमें मेरी सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं. ओके, so and I've got a very big wallet nowadays. I carry a very big wallet, so yeah, this bag fits in everything, hence my favorite, hence my everyday essential. Okay, so the next bag that I have here, it's a Caprese bag. Oh god, this is a Caprese bag. If you can see, I love the color guys, just look at the color. ये bag मैंने इस color की वजह से लिया था. Again, I need something which can fit in lot of things. Not that I carry much, but मेरा wallet बहुत बड़ा होता है, इसीलिए I need a bag जो बहुत spacious हो. Otherwise I cannot fit in my wallet, and hence I cannot carry it. Big bag, and it has a Caprese written on it all over. If you can see, it's like this. So yeah, I love the color, I love the whole the size of this bag, and hence one of my favorite bags. Okay, the next bag is a bag which I bought, but I think I've just used it once. It is this Enigma bag, and yes, I have all cross bodies, so I don't have to tell you that. Yes, as you can see, space is very chota. My wallet doesn't fit in it. Like it fits in it, मगर मुझे बहुत उसको push करना पड़ता है, which I don't like. So I don't really use this bag much, but I love the color. Do you see this tan camel brown color? Totally love it. So this is my one Enigma bag. The next bag that I have here, oh god, इसमें बहुत धूल बैठ गई है because I only use this when I'm going out for dinners or something like that. This is a Chanel copy. This is not a real one. Okay, इतनी अमीर नहीं हूँ मैं. तो ये हम लोग जब दुबई गए थे, oh no, that one I lost. This is gifted to me by my bhabhi and my bhai when they had gone to Dubai, and this is what they bought for me. And actually मुझे उन्होंने ऑप्शन दिया था एक क्रॉस बॉडी और एक टोट बैग से, and guess what, which one did I pick? Of course, the crossbody bag. Chanel first copy. I totally love the size, the whole look. It's a very good nighttime dinner, if you're going out for dinner, party, whatever, wherever you're going. So I like this, taking this only in the nighttime. Okay, next, the bag that I'm going to show you next is really cute. इसको देख के आपको टेडी बेयर की याद आ जाएगी. Look at this bag. I mean, इसका जो feel है ना, it is just totally like as if you're holding a soft toy, but it is not a very babyish kind of, because market में हमको आजकल soft bags मिलते हैं, they look very kiddish. Okay, I don't like those ones, but this doesn't look like that, but it feels really soft and nice. This I bought I think from Clover Center. Okay, and if I'm not wrong, maybe this was gifted to me by my sister. Okay, my younger sister. So mostly जो मेरे पास बहुत सारे bags हैं, those are gifts. Okay. So this is one of my favorites. I totally love it. This also I wear it when I'm going out, like some kind of outing, like for movies, which has become a distant memory. But still, तो मैं ये तभी use करती हूँ. I really like this. Now the next one I want to show you, जो मैंने कभी नहीं use किया है. It is this leopard print sling bag. Okay, this was when I was traveling. I bought this when I was in. Well, I'm confused if I bought this from Malaysia or Singapore. I think I bought this most probably from Malaysia. I don't know. My sister might know better because she was with me. But I never used this. I don't know why I bought it. बिकॉज इसमें कुछ नहीं बैठता है ब्रो. लाइक इसमें मेरा वॉलेट इस साइज का है, तो इसमें मेरा जो वॉलेट मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं बैठता है. एंड ऑल्दो इट डज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस इन इट फॉर अदर थिंग्स, लाइक यू सी इट हैज स्पेस, बट यार वॉलेट नहीं बैठता तो मैं अपने पैसे, मेरा कार्ड कहाँ रखूँगी. सो आई डोंट वेयर इट. Okay, so I've never worn this, by the way. Then next is another gift by my sister. It is this Gucci bag. Okay, again this is not real. Okay, of course this is the first copy. Oh my god, so much money. यार उसमें मेरे पास कितने सारे पैसे हैं. Shit. तो ये जो इसका लुक है एंड द कलर इज ऑलिव ग्रीन एंड आई लव्ड इट. लाइक दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बैग, वेरी chic, you know. Again cross body, but I loved it and it was a birthday present. Okay, so अभी कुछ ज़्यादा बचा तो नहीं है बताने के लिए, but I want to show you this one sling bag जो बहुत साल पुराना है. This could be maybe around 10 years old. It is a, you see this, ये कपड़े का जो बैग, कपड़े का पोटली टाइप होता है ना, ये वैसा है. सो दिस बैग इज स्पेशल टू मी बिकॉज मी एंड माई कजन सिस्टर जैनब, हम दोनों ने साथ में लिया था. गाइस एक बार टूट गया था, मैंने इसको बनाया है. आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू लेट गो ऑफ दिस बैग बिकॉज एक तो इसमें कोई खराबी नहीं है. दिस इज स्टिल इन वेरी गुड कंडीशन. इफ यू कैन सी, this is very good in condition and I love the color and of course I hold on to things. I'm a collector, okay. I hold on to things that have memories attached to it and this always reminds me of Zainab because she and me, we bought this together. Okay, all right, we are almost done. There are 2 more bags left. It is this. ओके, आई गेस आई गॉट ये ब्राउन में सबसे ज़्यादा इसी कलर के बैग्स है मेरे पास. आई जस्ट रियलाइज एंड दिस वॉज माई लेटेस्ट परचेज. आई थिंक दिस इज फ्रॉम Azbeda. I bought it from online. Okay, the reason why I bought this is because the color combination, I loved it. I love this black and white theme on it, or the gold and everything looks so cute, guys. Just look at it. और the reason again why I don't use it कि मेरा wallet ही नहीं बैठता इसमें. So that's why I don't use it. I think I must have used this once or twice. That's it. और ये वैसे ही पड़ा है. Again, this is a bag that I've used a lot, and this was again a gift by my sister Zainab, and she had bought this from Netherlands, I guess. हाँ. और ये जो बैग है ना, ये बैग के अंदर एक और एक बहुत ही अच्छा मेकअप पाउच था. This bag had one more very nice makeup pouch in it, which I've misplaced. I don't know where I've kept it, but it has so much space in it. I have used this a lot. Okay. फिर मैंने इसको रख दिया. But anyways, this was like this I've kept because more for memories, because this is a gift and I just can't give away or throw away things that I have some kind of attachment or memories to. That's just how I am. So guys, that's it, and that's all I have to show you guys from my bag collection. I hope you guys liked it. I hope, please tell me which one was your favorite. Please give this video a big thumbs up, a comment down below. Please share, subscribe guys. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.